On the 13th of March 2025, the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, through the Food Safety for Africa project, held a food safety workshop at Akinyele Local Government Secretariat in Ibadan, Nigeria.
The practices of the informal sector play a very important role in food security, including the component of food safety.
We've had time to engage with players in the informal sector, those who are concerned with food. We've had time to engage with transporters, we've had time to engage with traders, we've had time to engage with farmers, even community leaders.
How food is managed from the field till it gets to our table is a very important thing to consider.
During the workshop, data was collected to assess the current state of practice and knowledge regarding food safety.
Africa has a record of 91 million cases of foodborne diseases annually and 137,000 associated deaths. That's a huge amount, and unfortunately, Africa has the largest share of foodborne diseases, cases and deaths compared to what occurs globally.
Participants were educated on the risks inherent in food production and processing, along with best practices for ensuring food safety, including proper food storage and ways to identify safe and unsafe foods. The session aimed to raise awareness and promote responsible food handling for a healthier and safer community.
We have shown the people and other stakeholders how to identify meats that are not fit for human consumption and how to identify those that are fit for human consumption.
Touching on things about aflatoxins, pesticide residues, microbial contamination, heavy metal contamination, overuse of antimicrobials and misuse of pesticides and other chemicals.
They have had a very robust session with people participating, and they have been enthusiastic about the knowledge, and it's been a very wonderful day today. We have had a very, very rewarding time with our people, with the stakeholders, and you can see this from the way people contributed, participated, and asked questions. It's been very amazing today.
A demonstration was conducted on the use of reusable dry cards for rapid moisture detection in stored grains. Another session showcased the use of hermetic storage bags, which allow grain storage without the need for pesticides. Participants also learned how to conduct rapid in situ aflatoxin testing using the Neogen Raptor. Participants expressed heartfelt appreciation for the insightful workshop on food safety. They shared their enthusiasm for applying the knowledge gained and pledged to spread the message, ensuring that more members of the community benefit from the workshop.
I want to say thank you to IITA and every other bodies that collaborated with them for this very particular training on aflatoxins. As a caterer, it has made me more enlightened about food poisoning, about what makes us unhealthy. And with this training, I know I would be a better person going out to the entire communities, especially when working also with my other caterers and people in my immediate environment. And this training opened my mind to a lot of things. For example, about how the mold we just casually think over, how it affects our health, how it is a breeding ground for aflatoxins, and now aflatoxins can never die, irrespective of the kind of temperature that you subject them to. So I believe this kind of outreach should go into the nitty-gritty of the communities, so these market women, that they just feel, okay, they need to preserve the food they are selling, and they just use these pesticides anyhow, and which is actually affecting our health. I really want to say thank you And I know that more of this kind of gathering and seminars, I am very sure that it's going to help us.
Food Safety for Africa has collaborated with the Oyo State Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, a living lab partner of the Healthy Diet for Africa project. We are also collaborating with IITA Radio. Our key partner in this workshop has been the Akinyele Local Government, with which IITA has signed a Memorandum of Understanding as part of our activities under the Food Safety for Africa project. The Akinyele Local Government actors have come up with a slogan. Together, we are addressing risks associated with food production and processing to ensure food safety for all.